The Clever Turtle and the Wet Dog, a funny story for kids. Hi, kids. Today, we have a fun story about a turtle and a dog. Let's learn English together. Turtle wanted to be like dog. Dog had his own doghouse. Wow! A big house. Turtle was sad. She wanted a house like dog had. Then it began to rain. Dog ran inside his doghouse. But, oh no! The raindrops made his fur wet. Turtle felt the raindrops. But she just pulled her head in. She was her own house. Now Dog wants to be like Turtle. Let's learn some words: rain, doghouse, turtle, fur. What did Turtle do when it rained? Yes. She pulled her head in. So kids, today we learned a fun lesson. Sometimes, simple is best.